Look at the Deluxe Extremes peanut lighter. Put some electric tape around here. Put this on my keychain so it won't scuff up the finish. And have some tape whenever I need it. So, it's inside. This is how it comes. It's not a clean finish inside. Uses a bit. Need to take out the wick. Just fill this up. Still kind of wet. It's the inside right here. Playing with this, lighting it up like once or twice every day. Then found myself running out. So, oops, be right back. So, yep. That's peanut lighter. Pretty solid. Got a little split ring right here. Your keychain. I put this on my keychain. Just put some. This part fell off. Push back in. Right here. It's coming off. So push that back in. About an inch and a half, and half an inch this way. So yep,